Hi everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to show you some beautiful unique hairstyles that you can try at home without going to any salon. As we all know that we have different length of the hair and some have medium, some have long, some have short. But every hair has its own unique hairstyle that we can give a try so that we can make our hair more and more attractive. See this one, it might look difficult but it's actually very simple. You can just pause the video so that you can give it a try. For all these hairstyles, all you need is some comb, some hairpins, some ribbons, some rubber bands, or you can also make use of some hairdo tools. Then you just have to go with the video and follow each step carefully. You just be pro in making some of the braids, as in most of the hairstyles we have used the technique of making the braids. This one is a huge big bun. As you can see, it's a hump-shaped bun and it's very simple. You can make use of even bobby pins so that you can hold the hair at their proper position like we are doing here. Have you ever thought why we need to go for the beautiful and unique hairstyles? Well, I must tell you one thing, it's one of the important steps for enhancing your beauty and the personality. That's why you should give it a try to make different hairstyles, to do some of the experiments with your hair like we are doing here. All these hairstyles are so unique and you can find at nowhere such easy simple steps like we are showing you here. You can pause the video so that you can clear your all the confusions if you have any. Here we are using the hairdo tool so that we can create this thick braid. It's actually inspired from the hollow braid for enhancing your beauty and the personality. That's why you should give it a try. Just give it a try. Then we are tying up a ribbon. You can make use of the hair accessories to give more and more beauty to your hairstyles. It may take some of your time, but you can give it a try. Once you will become pro in making these, then it will take less of your time for enhancing your beauty and the personality. That's why you should give it a try. These ones are so easy and simple. Some hairstyles depict or represent your culture. There are so many hairstyles that we have got the origin from the different countries. Like we see the French tail, it was usually made in the France, hence its name French tail was given. So many hairstyles are given the names from their originator, from the name of the country from where they have been originated. This hairstyle is inspired from the peacock feathers that are usually present on the peacock, as it's apparent from the shape that we are tying up here. Just give it a try. This one is so nice and unique and it's so simple as well. You may not need to go any salon. You can give it a try at your home. See how in easy and simple steps you are going to make such beautiful hairstyles. All you need is some rubber bands, comb and some of your patience. See how we are going to create this cute little bun and we are using the bobby pins here so that we can tie up, hold the hair. It was a simple bun technique. Thank you.